Hi viewers, let's have another session of maths. I'm Geeta.
Hi guys, I'm Surya.
Hi guys, I'm Samrit.
Okay, today what we decided to do is we will do powers of 2. You know that we have done addition. You repeatedly add a same number. Let's say for example, you add 2 plus 2. How can you write this as?
4.
4. Or you could say is 2 times 2. So repeated addition is what? Repeated multiplication. Today what I am going to do is, I am going to do repeated multiplication. What do you think is repeated multiplication? Repeat the same number. So what's 2 times 2? 4. And we normally write it as 2 power 2. Repeated multiplication is called powers, and we also use another word that is called exponents. Alright? That is called exponents. So today we are going to see an activity or what do you understand by powers of 2. So let's take 2 to the power 0. Now 2 to the power 0 means I have a piece of paper. There's nothing, it's just one piece of paper, right? So 2 power 0 is just one whole part. Is that okay? Now, I'm going to find out what is 2 to the power 1. Samar, you take your piece of paper, you give one fold. Okay? Right, fold 1. Right. Now, open it up. How many parts do you have?
2.
Can you label them with your sketch pen? Right, can you show? So, I have 2 parts. So, 2 power 1 is 2. Right? Now, Surya, 2 power 2. Alright? So, he has done one fold. Can you do 2 folds? Yes. That is one fold. Yes. So how many parts do you think you will have?
4 parts.
Yeah, label it. Yes, you can. So 2 power 2 is 4. Is that okay? Now, Samrud, he has done 2. So now you will do how many folds? 3. So let's do 2 power 3. Okay? And Surya, can you do 2 power 4 and tell me how many parts you have? So that is?
2.
Yes.
Now,
Yes. Now open up. You got 4 parts? Yes. Label it. Yes, Samruddhi have done. You can show. So what's 2 power 3? What's your answer? How many parts do you get?
8.
8. So basically what is this? 2 times 2?
Is 2 times 3 is 8.
No, 2 times 2. So this means 2 times 2 times 2. So what's 2 times 2?
4.
4 times 2?
8.
8. Okay, so that's the meaning of powers. Okay, 2 power 3 means you're repeatedly multiplying 2 how many times? 3. And you got 8 pounds. Yes, Surya. What's 2 power 4?
16.
Yes, good. So 2 times 2 times 2 we will get 16 and we can keep on doing such thing. Okay, for the next session we will try powers of 3. Is that okay? And we will see what we will get. Alright, so viewers stay tuned for the next session which is powers of 3. Thank you very much.